Hi, gals and guys. This is Christopher Mosier with a quick tip for you. This time out, I'm just going to show you how to add fonts to your Windows 10 operating system. And once you add it there, it will link up to all your other programs. And I'll show you, for example. So I got my Photoshop working here. And I'm doing a pitch deck here for a film called Ninja Monkey. And I needed something that kind of looked like ninja-esque. You know, like our hero right here, Ninja Monkey. So basically, where is Ninja? Ninja. Hoo-ah! All right. Hi-ya! There it is right there. All right, so this is basically what you do. It's really simple, really easy. I'm going to have 3 different links in the description for free fonts. You can find them all over the place. Just because it's around the holiday season, I'm just going to put in Christmas. And you just find something Christmassy. I already saw one on the front page, so I might as well just grab that. Yeah, we'll do this one. So I'm going to hit download. You can donate if you care to, and that's always a good idea. And we're going to download Christmas Miracle. And we'll bring it up here. And la-da-da-da-da. So I'm going to open Christmas Miracle up in Windows Explorer. Previews, there's Christmas, there's the font. I'm going to just copy it here from my zip folder. And I'm just going to put it here. Christmas Miracle. All right, so let's get rid of this. Down in my search bar here, I'm just going to simply put font. And here's font settings. It's going to be a little bit different depending on what your setup is, but it's what you're looking is for the font folder, basically. So if you do a search, like in your C drive, right here, you can do a search, just put in fonts or just put in a font in the search. You should pretty much come up with the same thing. So for this particular one, I just want you to drag the font into it. I know the older versions, you just drag it into the folder. It's really not any different than that. All right. And there's Christmas Miracle. So if we go over to my Photoshop here, and we just enlarge this, there should be Christmas Miracle. Sometimes you might have to close the program and open it. Normally you really don't have to. So we got to find Christmas Miracle. Christmas Miracle. There it is, Christmas Miracle. All right, we'll just shrink this just to show you. Oops, shrink it too much. There we go. So there's Ninja Monkey if I wanted to do a Christmas style. And that's basically it, folks. If you go to other programs as well, it should be there for you. All right, so here's the links actually you can go to get some fonts, but I just wanted to show you this. We got to go up to the seas, to the sea. See, now I'm recording, so now it's going to freeze again because that's what it does. Don't record, fine. It's going to prove me wrong, isn't it? There it is right there. It didn't prove me wrong. This is the holiday season. What happened to the T and the H? Something kooky going on there. Sure what's up with that. Why is it doing that? Doesn't like T and H apparently. Well, that's the font's fault, not anything else. So that's the general idea on how to get extra fonts in there. So I'm going to be doing a series of short videos the rest of the month due to the holiday, and then I'll get back to our training after that. And I'm extra weird today because I haven't made a video in a long time, and I've had a lot of coffee. And I'm wearing my special weird hat. So all those three combined to make a weird Chris. So I appreciate you guys and gals. I wish you would subscribe, like, or share, because that would help the channel grow. And I'll talk to you later.